Senior Vice Chairman, Narendra Bangladesh. A special guest, Freedom Fighter Abdul Manan Azad, Senior Member and a special guest, Comrade Martin Crawford, journalist and organizer, US. Comrade Rod Boswell, journalist and organizer, Australia, and other Comrade Emma Johnson, journalist and organization in US. President of the Manik Chakraborty in this edition, in this seminar. Dear all, Bangladesh is a poor country and activities is a farmerization. Even 5, our new generation is not, there is no way. The Martin Crawford and Rod Johnson about the Cuban 5 and the other things, and thank for information and thank all visit our country. They visit also to Borishal and they make some seminar in here. I hope they are again come in our country and activities in our